What's going on, family? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to drop in and look at the jobs report that just came out. Of course, us as real estate investors, we look at the economy, we track the economy in our local area. We know real estate is local, but overall at the national level, there are some metrics that we as real estate investors should be paying attention to. And I think the jobs report that comes out weekly is one of those metrics that we need to take a look at, just where we are right now in the real estate cycle, with the federal funds rate continually to increase, with the chairman they just raised the Fed funds rate a quarter of a point, and we're still looking at to see, are they going to keep increasing rates? And we know as interest rates go up that over the last 6 months that we've saw the mortgage rates go up, which have in return slowed down buyers in the market. I know we've had a couple properties on the market in both Panama City, Florida, and then in a couple different cities in the state of Alabama, in Mobile, and also in the Birmingham area, where we've seen some delays, not as many as you would think, but still delays nonetheless, that we're going after to kind of continue to see, hey, where's the market trending, so we can adjust our investing strategy. So make sure you hit the thumbs up, the subscribe button for more content. But let's jump into this report. So CNBC, last week the jobs report came out, and the United States added a total of 517,000 jobs in the month of January, which crushed estimates. I think that was almost 3x what was expected last month. And for what the federal funds rate is tied to, where the Fed goes in. Let's cut that piece. Go back. So with that, they added 517,000 jobs. That was way above the estimate of 187,000 was predicted. That pushed the unemployment rate down to 3.4%. Versus the estimate of 3.6%, so 0.2% less than what they wanted. So it's crazy, but you think about it, the Fed's job, they want to bring inflation down. In order to bring inflation, they got to invoke pain into the economy, and that pain is increasing unemployment. You see a lot of the tech sector has been laying off people by the thousands over the last few months, but for whatever reason, the labor market, they don't believe the Fed, and even though they're increasing rates, that people are still hiring. The unemployment is going down, and they want unemployment to go up. So it's going to be interesting to see how the Fed responds in March after seeing this recent job data. With leisure hospitality added 128,000 jobs to lead all the sectors. There's other gains in professional business service, 82,000 jobs created. The government created 74,000 jobs, and healthcare at 58,000. So it's going to be interesting to just see how things continue to evolve and transition. The stock market is going back up, and everybody's going against the Fed, that the Fed wants to invoke pain into the economy. But I don't know. The job market is saying, yeah, we don't believe you. So that's something we're going to continue to see as things mature and go into 2023, and just see the impact to the economy as rates increase. It's going to potentially slow down the market. We saw a drastic slowdown in transactions. I think we're down to, at the latest number, we were right at 4 million transactions for 2022, and we're going to look to continue to see how that transitions in 23, if there'll be an uptick. I think in 2021 we were at like 6.5 million transactions for the year. So a drastic drop in transaction activity with real estate being sold. So it's something to continue to look at with everything that we're doing, going out and just looking at 2023 to understand, hey, where are we going from an economy, and how is that going to affect your local real estate market? Because real estate is local. That you can see the trends in certain areas like Boise, Idaho, Austin, Phoenix, Las Vegas, where they've seen some decreases in overall median income prices or median sales price for real estate. But other areas in the Northeast, where there's not a lot of extra inventory, that the real estate market has been holding strong. And so we'll see, as things continue to evolve, builders slow down, interest rates, if they continue to go up, they continue to go down, and just see how the demand and pickup in certain areas continues to go forward. But that's all for this video. Just wanted to share this, and we continue to watch these metrics that we care about as real estate investors, so we can be informed and make informed decisions when we're continuing to grow our portfolios. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.